This will reduce anxiety, and also if you have lack of sleep, just do this for 5 minutes. It's a very simple stretches. We're going to start in a child's pose. Usually the body can't relax, and for that we have lack of sleep. So we're going to start releasing the body, and the most important part is the hips, is the back and neck that hold in tension. So it's a modified child's pose when you moving towards your elbows and then you're shifting back. Then we're going to sit in a child's pose and just release the tension here and just move side to side. Then moving on your knees, and you can do it as slow as you want or as fast as you want, and just create a circular motion, one side, another side. Cat and cows, inhale and exhale round. Release the spine through the whole length, and again. Now we're gonna move towards the leg section. Move the right leg in front, and here just shift left and right. That's gonna help you to remove the tension in your hip, just like that. And then maybe stay for a moment, reach up, reach side. Again, it's a very short way to mobilize your body and to also switch your body to parasympathetic nerve system mode. Now we're going to turn to the side, do the same thing here. If it's too painful, you can stay in the basic Anjaneyasana, moving back, and the other side. Also here, shift. That's allowed you to release the hips. Breathing out. Breathing will help to switch your body to parasympathetic nerve system response. That's important. And then you're going to have a nice baby sleep. Now reach up, reach side for a couple times. If it's available, turn this way, and also maybe lift your knee up and drop it down for a few times. And then come back to your knees, move to your back. One active exercise is the rock and rolls that massages your back. And this massage is very therapeutic. So we do it for a few times to create circulation and blood flow. Now, lymphatic drainage. Knees tapping on the floor. It feels really good. Tap, tap, tap. And inhale up, stretch up, elongating the spine. When we're creating a space in the body, that's where we start feeling the relaxation. Grabbing the toes. And here, either you bend in your knees just a little bit, or you keep your legs lengthened. It depends where you stand, but as soon as you relax in your hamstrings, that's what we need. And here, let yourself breathe. You can also drop your head, it feels good. You can also put the pillow here and bend over the pillow. Everything works. Tap, tap, tap again. Now, butterfly position. And here we're going to shake off the fatigue out of our legs. Inhale on 4, exhale on 4. And another side. And the last one, moving forward and back. You can also place your hands on top of your knees and move your torso forward and back. Bring your knees together. Now we're gonna sit in a diamond. Your knees striking forward. Push your hands against the thighs and just shift left and right. One hand goes on the floor, reach over, open the spine, and switch it up. Beautiful. Now one leg goes under, crossing with the other leg. Spinal twists, locking the opposite elbow and exhaling. Lengthening the spine in the same time. I'm breathing very loud. I'm emphasizing you don't have to do that if it doesn't feel good. To me it does, so switch on the side. And you can repeat those cycles, whatever exercise feels good for your body. But that is the base. Exhale, exhale. And unravel, shake it up again. Lie down on your spine. That is the time when we're going to come down. Soles of the feet are touching each other. You can either put the pillows under your knees or just leave them this way. And exhale, put your hands on the lower belly as a triangle, or one hand on the chest, one hand on the stomach. When I can't sleep, that's what I do, and right away my body gets so relaxed. So it's a tip that I'm personally using, and trust me, nothing relaxes you better than a stretch, because you're activating your body, you're talking to your body, and it's been helping me for so many years. So I hope you guys do this too. And now slowly close your knees together. You can also hug your knees in if you want. These massaging movements are always very helpful because you are literally massaging your muscles, you're moving your fascia, so it feels really good. I like to do the circular motions like this as well, massaging my lower back. Always saying that motion is lotion. And basically that's it. Here you're already ready to be in your bed. Just need to put the pillow under your head, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very short set. I found it very helpful when I had a difficult time sleeping, especially after I had mold poisoning illness, and I had a huge insomnia. Until this day sometimes I feel like I cannot relax, and doing this very short sets and targeting the most important parts right away, bringing me in peace and relaxation. And I believe that we can neutralize the fatigue with the natural methods like this one. I also have a guides under this video, so check them out and let me know how you feel and what would you like to see in my next episode. Sending you love, guys, and welcome the new family members. My name is Paula, and I will see you next episode. Bye for now.